G'day guys, Oscar from NQ Springs here. Now, here to show you the Sumo Springs. These will be very good for if you're adding weight to your vehicle or towing, but don't want to run the risk of popping an airbag or just having the hassle of running around with a compressor. They're made of a micro-cellular polyurethane, which makes them pretty well indestructible. They come with a lifetime warranty. They come in 3 different weight varieties. This blue one here, is our most popular. It's good for about 500 kilos at 50%. Now, the following weight ratings I'm going to give you are at 50%. So the black one's about 750 kilos, the yellow one's about 1,000. So for your light trucks, your mediums in your fronts, or your 79s in the back, that's where we'd run the blue one. The black one, if you've got your bigger trucks, so your FSSs, your FVRs, your Isuzus, your big ones. Yellow ones, look, you got to be running pretty heavy to run the yellow ones. They're very strong. We've actually put them in the front of a prime mover, and they're doing quite well. If you want a quote on these, just give us a yell, whether you call us, email us, website, or even drop in. They're a fantastic little product. We'd like to see a lot more of them out there. So if you'd like us out, let us know, and we'll be happy to help.